Welcome to TravelScout channel. For today's video, we will take you to Maui, Hawaii. We will be going to explore Maui and discover the best places to visit, things to do, what to eat, and everything that makes your stay here memorable. But before we start, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more future updates here in the TravelScout channel. Maui is a beautiful island and a dream vacation location in the Central Pacific, where it is situated as part of the archipelago of Hawaii. Breathtaking highways connect pools, waterfalls, beaches, greenery, and many other islands you can find in the isle's vicinity for quick day trips and island hopping. With historic buildings and parks, stunning coastlines, flourishing forests, there's no shortage of things to enjoy. Road to Hana. The road to Hana is one of the most admired Maui attractions in Hawaii, which is interesting because it is not an intentional attraction. Approximately, it takes 4 hours to make a round trip on this road, which is more formally popular as Highway 360. Along the road to Hana, you'll catch glimpses of beautiful views such as gorgeous forests with waterfalls, curving coastline, and rustic bridges are only a few reasons that the road is so popular. Haleakala National Park, showing off the biggest dormant volcano in the world and serving host to over 1 million visitors annually, spanning a massive 30,000 acres. The park is located in the upcountry and has a number of highlights that people fall towards most, whether for sightseeing or activities. The biggest attraction of Haleakala National Park is its summit, a mountain peak so tall that you can see it from anywhere on the island. Lau Valley State Monument, a must-see especially for the nature lovers who like the unique features of the wild. Historically, it has been used as a pilgrimage destination for the natives of Hawaii for generations. You can see here scattered majestic and imposing rock features across the lush green. Wailea Beach Park, one of the main tourist attractions in Maui for ocean sports thanks to its incredible waves that lend themselves to many different activities. Unfortunately, the waters of Wailea Beach Park are much too harsh for any swimming to be done properly. But windsurfing, and if the timing is right, snorkeling are all ideal options. Wailua State Park. The Hawaiian word Wailua means glistening waters, and given the beauty of the ocean water along Wailua State Park's coast, that's a perfect name. It is located fairly remotely on the Hana coast of East Maui. The sand is produced from volcanic sediment and is, as a result, it is jet black. It's a perfect place for photography location. It is stunning to behold. If you're okay with that dark history, you can explore the caves and even swim in the pools in them. Napili Beach. One of the best beaches you'll find in Maui is located in the western portion as part of Hana. It spans 3 miles and is situated in the northwest portion of the island, offering space and the opportunity to sunbathe and surf in the strong waters. Napili Beach is a massive tourist hotspot and provides a wide range of thrilling activities to fill your time with. The beach was also the first ever pre-planned resort spot in Hawaii. Wailea Beach. It is one of Wailea's 5 stunning beaches, making it the most recommended spot for some entertaining activities in the sun. It is also known as one of the sole spots in Maui, with lots of special resorts. The breathtaking stretch of sand at Wailea Beach, with palm trees, an easy access paved path, lots of eateries and stores, and plenty of hotels. The beach's water is also impressively calmer than many other parts of the island, making it ideal for swimming and snorkeling. Molokini Island Preserve. Molokini Island is completely uninhabited and is a very small semicircle of land that was once an old volcano opening for Maui's main volcano. Today, the Molokini Island Preserve is available to explore by visitors and is distinguished, referred to as the Molokini Crater, and is a must-see. Though it's not frequently considered one of the famous Maui attractions, it's a perfect place for photographers and sightseeing. There are over 250 species here, so it's worthwhile to visit for any marine life lovers. But do know that trips can be heavy on the wallet. Nakulele Blowhole. The Nakulele Blowhole is located on the eastern portion of Maui, further past the Kapalua, 15 minutes away from the actual road. It is not easy to get there because the route isn't even paved. So it means you will have to go down a sloping mountainside. So just make sure you are wearing the right shoes. A natural feature of Maui, Hawaii, it's an amazing sight and is one of its top hidden gems. For safety's sake, you should not get too close to the blowhole as it can pull you in. Napili Beach. Napili Beach gives you calm waters, a crescent-shaped shore, and a breezy environment for sunbathers, paddleboarders, boogie boarders, and swimmers of all ages. There are also lots of fish and sea turtles in the waves of Napili Beach, though you shouldn't touch sea turtles because it's illegal with heavy fines. So bring snorkeling gear with you if you'd like to appreciate it more. Alikula Lavender Farm, one of the more extraordinary tourist spots in Maui, secluded from the rest of the island's tropical vibe. It gives a calm and serene environment with promises of rejuvenation. It has a very cheap entrance fee and self-guided tours are completely free while providing stunning panoramas of the gardens and island on the way. DT Fleming Park. The name itself is a little misleading, but actually, it is more of a beach than a green park. It's comparatively close to certain larger resorts in Hawaii, so it can get somewhat jam-packed. Most of the time, the waves at DT Fleming Park are calm and safe for swimming, while the sand is clean and perfect for sunbathing, and the amenities are modern and accessible and plenty for convenience. Kalua Head is an indeed stop when driving on Kahekili Highway. From the lookout point, you'll be amazed by the 646-foot-high gorgeous peak covered in rocks and silky greenery sticking out from the vast blue waters. Iconic Kalua Head has a bit of history embracing it, and legend has it that it was once a treasured cliff diving spot of one of Maui's leaders, King Kahekili. Please take note, Kahekili Highway is a narrow road that snuggles the cliffs of the sea, making it one of the most dangerous roads on Maui. Pu'aka'a Waterfalls. If you want to go hiking on your trip to Maui, make sure to visit Pu'aka'a Falls Trail, where you will get to experience the breathtaking waterfall and gorgeous views. Aside from the waterfalls, you can go bird watching and even visit year-round. The trail to the waterfalls is only 0.4 miles, so it's not a long hike at all, making it perfect for the whole family. Hana Lava Tube. If you're after a unique experience, then Hana Lava Tube along the road to Hana is a must explore. The subterranean tunnel is the largest in Maui and was formed as by the thick layers of molten lava erupting from beneath the earth. The cylindrical form is the result wherein the outside layer hardened as the inner layer flowed beneath it for 2 years. It allows the visitors to walk inside and descend further to explore extraordinary formations, such as the chocolate corridor of stalactites, lava, cow bones, and more. So, what do you think of our video? Please comment down below and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more future updates here on TravelScout channel. Thank you for watching.